When we buy flour from the market, most of us only see the final packet. But have you ever stopped to think where does it really comes from? Who grows the wheat? How is it processed? And how pure is it? This is where Kisan Kaka is changing the game. Kisan Kaka is built on a simple but powerful idea. Grow our own wheat, process it ourselves, and deliver purity directly to customers. It's not just a brand, it's a complete farm to kitchen model where everything is controlled from the very beginning. The journey starts with the soil because healthy soil means healthy crops. At Kisan Kaka, farming is done using completely natural methods. Instead of chemical fertilizers, the soil is enriched using cow dung compost, vermicompost made from earthworms, and green manure crops that are mixed back into the soil. Natural microbial solutions like Jivamrit and Bijamrit are also used to improve soil fertility, increase microbial activity, and enhance water retention. This creates a strong foundation for growing nutritious wheat. Next comes seed selection. Kisan Kaka focuses on native and desi wheat varieties that are known for their high nutrition, better taste, and strong grain quality. The goal is not mass production but producing the best quality grain possible. As the crop grows, it is protected and nurtured using completely natural methods. Instead of chemical pesticides, Kisan Kaka uses neem sprays, cow urine based solutions, buttermilk sprays, and herbal extracts like garlic and chili to control pests. At the same time, natural boosters like Jivamrit and Panchgavya are used to strengthen the plants. This ensures that the crop remains healthy without leaving any toxic resid, while also maintaining biodiversity and soil life. When the crop is ready, harvesting is done at the perfect time. Timing is very important. Harvesting too early can result in immature grains and too late can reduce quality. Kisan Kaka ensures that wheat is harvested at the right stage so that nutrition and grain strength are preserved. After harvesting, the wheat goes through a careful cleaning and sorting process. Dust, stones, and damaged grains are removed so that only the best quality grains move forward. This step ensures that the flour begins with clean and premium raw material. The cleaned wheat is then stored using traditional and chemical-free methods. It is kept in jute bags and protected naturally using neem leaves or ash. No chemical preservatives are used at any stage, ensuring the grain remains safe and pure. The most important step is milling, where wheat is converted into flour. Kisan Kaka uses traditional stone chakki to grind the wheat. This process is done carefully to retain the natural fiber preserved nutrients and maintain the authentic taste of the flour. There is no bleaching, no refining, and no additives, just pure natural atta. Freshness is a key focus. After milling, the flour is packed quickly to lock in its aroma, nutrition, and quality. There is no long storage or unnecessary delay, ensuring that customers receive fresh flour. And what does this mean for the customer? Softer rotis, better taste, and higher nutrition. More importantly, it brings the confidence of knowing exactly where your food comes from. But Kisan Kaka is not just about selling flour, it is about building trust and creating impact. By following a farming first model, it supports farmers, creates rural employment, and promotes sustainable agriculture. It strengthens the connection between the farmer and the consumer, ensuring fair value and transparency. In a world where most brands focus on mass production, Kisan Kaka stands for purity and honesty. Because good flour doesn't start in a factory, it starts on the farm. And when farmers take control of the entire journey, from soil to flour, everyone benefits. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more such content.